Hey everyone! Have you ever thought about how different our trading decisions could be if we had access to advanced market analytics ahead of time? As everyday traders, we usually react to news that's already out. But there are always those who manage to act before the news goes public. That's why it's so important to follow key influencers, track major wallet activity, and keep an eye on other market movements that could help us better predict how assets might behave. But as you can imagine, tracking all of that manually is incredibly difficult. Even if we bring AI into the picture, processing all that data still takes time. That's where Insiders comes in. A team of developers and market enthusiasts created a platform that does the heavy lifting for us, automatically tracking market signals and delivering key insights. The whole idea behind Insiders is to give traders access to powerful analytics and data that used to be available only to a small circle of big players. Now that's beginning to change. Insiders offers a full suite of tools designed to help you monitor the market, from watching wallet flows and analyzing major traders to uncovering hidden activity. With this information, you could potentially react faster than most traders, if the signals check out. If you want to dive deeper into how Insiders works, check out their official website. I've dropped the link in the video description. The team shares their vision and explains how to use every tool step by step. To access the tools, you'll need the INS token, which powers the platform and unlocks its features. What's interesting is that INS tokens aren't paid to the project like a traditional fee. Instead, when you activate tools, your tokens are burned, permanently reducing the supply. That means tools might be relatively affordable now, but as more tokens get burned, the price of INS could change, which could make early access more valuable over time. But of course, that depends on a lot of market factors. Some traders have already started checking out INS during the pre-sale stage. They're gaining access while the token is still early, but no one can predict how the price will behave in the future. Right now, INS is in pre-sale on PinkSale. Make sure to read all the details yourself. To buy the token, just head to the PinkSale platform using the link in the description. Then connect your wallet, use Ethereum to complete the purchase, and the INS tokens will show up in your wallet. Once you've got your tokens, it's time to explore what tools you now have access to. Let's break them down one by one. There's quite a few. First up is Pipeline AI, a real-time news and media aggregator that filters out noise and delivers just the most important updates as they happen. Then there's the Graph Intelligence Engine, a system designed to track relationships between insiders, companies, wallets, and even legal frameworks. This is especially useful when large players start buying or selling tokens. You get a clearer view of their activity, which can help inform your own decisions. It also monitors assets held by Ethereum funds and investment wallets, so you can see which tokens are getting attention and which ones are losing traction. And finally, there's a cross-chain integration system that allows Insiders tools to be applied to the blockchain of your choice, letting you track big movements across networks. According to the team, all these tools will be available inside a dedicated app, which will launch once the pre-sale wraps up. They've said the app will be user-friendly and intuitive even for beginners. To stay updated on the release, I'd recommend following Insiders on social media as well. All the links you need are in the description below. Make sure to check them out and get a better feel for which tools might be the best fit for you. Insiders looks like a promising platform for anyone who wants to dig deeper into market dynamics and understand what big players are doing in the blockchain space. But as always, do your own research and review everything carefully before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss future breakdowns. And let me know in the comments, which Insiders tools do you think are the most useful? What's your take on platforms like this in the Web3 space? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.